So Insta360 Ace Pro can record 8K resolution video in 24 frames per second. While in theory it may sound impressive, the question is, can you really see the difference? You see, a lot of people gonna watch their videos on a 1080p monitor, some other maybe on a 4K, yet most of the people gonna watch YouTube videos on their mobile phones. So in this case, can you really see the difference? So in this video, guys, I prepared a bunch of really random clips shot from a GoPro in 5.3K resolution versus Insta360 Ace Pro shot in 8K. Now, please watch it very carefully and let me know what you think about it.
Teraz. Teraz. Okay. Ja? Teraz. Teraz.
What do you guys think about it? So I had to edit the whole video project on a 4K monitor, yet to YouTube I exported it in 8K. But honestly, I could barely see the difference. To me, it looks very similar. So I couldn't instantly see the difference, so I had to zoom in on that footage, and even then, on a 4K monitor, it wasn't so obvious. However, in some shots from GoPro Hero 12 Black, I could see some artifacts in the shadows. Yet, I think it's due to smaller sensor size rather than lower resolution. Ace Pro, on the other hand, doesn't have as many artifacts in there simply because it has a bigger sensor. Yet, on some other shots, I could see that 8K was just tiny little bit sharper than 5K. Yet, again, I had to zoom in on that footage to spot the difference. And it's definitely easier to see if you record static subjects like statues, buildings, or landscapes. But if you want to record some sport activities, then 8K, well, it's not really meant for it. It's better to stick to 4K in some higher frames per second. Honestly, I think that 8K resolution video might be really helpful if you want to zoom in on your footage. Maybe you want to fix your composition, so it may be helpful while editing. But unfortunately, most people, especially those who watch their videos on their mobile phones, won't see a groundbreaking difference between the two. So if you learned anything from this video and you like that content, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.